All right, the dogs have stopped barking. So, hey everybody, welcome back to 1 Minute Walking Tours. As always, I'm your host, Jonathan. Glad to be back. And today we are here on State Street in Brooklyn Heights, Brooklyn, to talk about the Adam Yauch Playground. Anyone around my age knows that Adam Yauch was MCA, member of the Beasty Boys, which formed in 1980, one of the seminal groups with albums like Paul's Boutique, Licensed to Ill. And this is the neighborhood he grew up in, and as he said, this is the park where he learned to ride a bike. The park is 3.395 of an acre, includes a dog run, which you can see over here, includes free open space, includes half and full court basketball, and a fitness area or playground for kids. The park was originally purchased by the city of New York in 1944 as part of its plans to build the BQE, an 11.7 mile tract of highway designed to open up the surface streets and allow better traffic patterns. You can see that's this right here. That's the BQE. So this land is really right up next to it, and you can even see that State Street makes a curve. So this is really the southern end of Brooklyn Heights. Now we know that Brooklyn Heights ends right up over here because that's Atlantic Avenue, and this park was originally called the Atlantic Playground once it was built in '44. Along with the State Street entrance, there is the entrance here on Atlantic Avenue on this very busy interchange. But this is Atlantic Avenue where it feeds onto the BQE. It was then called the State Street Playground. It was then called the Palmetto Playground, and they put a plaque in 1999 commemorating the park's building this park. But then again, they changed the park again to Adam Yauch Park, or Playground, in 2013, a year after MCA's death from cancer. So it's nice to know that someone who's committed their lives to peace and to music and to justice can be remembered. And it's interesting because he was a seminal figure. The Beastie Boys were seminal figures in my life and music that has affected me. And it's just tough to see people who have gone before their time, but it's nice that we can remember them. So if you're ever in Brooklyn, I don't know why you'd be where I am right now, but if you ever are on State Street or on Atlantic Avenue, you can come by. So what you want? We'll see you here soon on 1 Minute Walking Tours.